Invigorate the power of healing within you. Ignite the innate powers within your soul. A diagnosis of cancer is a call to action, and that action is change. Make no mistake, your cancer is calling you to change, to deeply modify your attitudes, not only about yourself, but about your relationships and your communion with God. Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Johnson. I'm a nationally recognized author with a PhD in clinical counseling and a subspecialty in spiritual gerontology. I'm also the creator of the Spiritual Strengths Cancer Care Program. And after many years of research in the field of chronic illness, especially in cancer, I've developed the Spiritual Strengths Cancer Care Program. I invite you to answer God's call, to mobilize your own interior strengths, to be present to this journey physically, emotionally, psychologically, and of course spiritually. The process of healing is a journey. Let's take this journey together. The medical community seeks to cure sickness. The Spiritual Strengths Cancer Care Program seeks to heal the illness of cancer. So we can truly say, heal your cancer. We may not be able to cure your cancer, that is the medical community, but we can heal the illness of cancer. And that's what we're really trying to do here. I got involved with this work first when I was working in a large hospital. I was the director of behavioral sciences there, and my job was to be teaching the interns and the residents what I call the soft side of medicine. And I recognized very early on in my career there at the hospital that there were some people who seemed to be healing better and faster than others. One of the things that we were finding in our research about chronic sickness in general is that there's one human condition that can almost stop your healing in its tracks like that. The condition? Helplessness. When I feel helpless, when I feel like there's nothing I can do, it's almost like my immune system just shuts down. The connection between personality and healing may seem rather disparate and far apart, but what personality really is, if you look at it in a deeper sense, is the operation of the mind. Do you think that your mind has any influence on the progression of your cancer or the healing of your cancer? The answer to that question is a resounding yes. You know what it takes to be a cancer survivor from the research that I have done are two things. One, to access the marvelous tools that the medical community has for us, to fully engage in those tools, to put your heart into the tools that the medical community has for us. But it takes something more. And the something more is what the Spiritual Strengths Cancer Care Program was designed to do. The 6 spiritual strengths, which is your spiritual fingerprint, gives you the motive power, unlike any other power, to be able to bring God's healing to you.
Hello, I'm Sister Helene Lentz, a sister of St. Joseph, and I'm the director of the Magnificat Center here in Wichita. We're very happy to host the Spiritual Strength Cancer Program at the Magnificat Center. This is a program that's very special to our sisters here. Our sisters have lived and prayed at the Wichita Center for over 100 years, so it seems a very appropriate place to have people join us who are struggling with cancer. Our sisters will be praying with all of the people who are here, and we look forward to having you join us.